Hey everyone, so we are now in La Paz. I'm going to show you our accommodation here. So here's the condo that we went to. Like, it's so simple. I like it, it's kind of huge as well. So it's complete, it has microwave, everything you need here. What do we have here? Okay. And some cooking utensils, I believe. Okay. So here's the living room. The dining area. And this is also the balcony. I like this because, you know, like every time I wash the clothes, I could, they have this here, so that's cool. So this is a building. I think we are the only one who has this balcony, maybe because we are on the 3rd floor or 1st floor, something like that. Because look at that. Let's see, building. So I think it's so good, and it's kind of cold. We got here around 3 a.m. and it's already 0 degrees Celsius. And now it's 15 degrees Celsius, so we need a coat to go here. So yeah, they also have this barbecue-ish. So yeah, this is wine. You know? It's cool. They also have this thing. So yeah, look at that, rainbows. So cool. Let's go to the bedroom. So here's the bedroom area. It's okay. It's a really nice condo. So they have cabinets. I always put my things there. I don't put it on the closet again. It's kind of tiring. It's really nice. Then they have this small stuff. Or there's where you can put your phones, charge it. Let's go to the restroom, but my boyfriend is still there. Once it's out. sofa. And yeah, so let's go to the restroom. So here's the restroom. Sink, toilet, the washing machine. I always love condos with washing machine. Like I don't care how simple they are, as long as they have washing machine. I love it. This is the shower area. Nice, right? Let's see if they have a bidet. I need a bidet. Oh, they don't have a bidet. Oh well. So yeah, that's all for now guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'm going to post the link of this B&B, so if ever you're in La Paz, you can rent it. Bye!